Hello students, I am your teacher Gladstone Dhanpal and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach class 5th mathematics chapter 2 lesson 2 4 fundamental operations. Okay, 4 fundamental operations means not that doctor cutting operation. Okay, so this is the mathematical operation. What are the 4 fundamental operations? You know this one. The basic things are like this. First is addition, that is plus, then subtraction, minus, then multiplication, into, and division. Okay, we simply call it as DMAS: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So these are the 4 basic fundamental operation. In your second chapter, first exercise, it is all about recalling, means what you have learned in your earlier classes. That means in 3rd class, 4th class, what you have read, that only I am going to explain you once again. So see exercise 1. Question number 1. I am not going to explain each and every question, but I'll be explaining 1 or 2 questions from every bit. So see the first question, that is find the sum. Find the sum. Okay, so look here, first question. A number 32,501 semicolon 63,819 and 7,893. First, what you have to do, semicolon means you have to separate. There are how many numbers? This is one number, this is another number, and this is another number. So total 3 numbers are there. You will write the 3 numbers as it is. So solution or your answer, how you will write? First you will write this one as you wish, 32,501, then 63,819, then 7,893. Your this side should be in appropriate positions. Okay, you have, if you will write like this, suppose if you will write like this, this is wrong. You have to first write the 4 digit from the right side. You have to continue. Which side? Right side. 3, 9, 8, then comma, then 7. Likewise you have to write. Okay, now we will do the addition. So what is the symbol for addition? What is given here? Sum means you have to do the addition. So what we will do, 1 plus 9 gives you 10, 10 plus 3 gives you 13, 3 carry 1. This you have studied. Now 1 plus 0 becomes 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 9 becomes 11. Again 1, then you have to carry 1. Then 1 plus 5 becomes 6, 6 plus 8 becomes 14, 14 plus 8. Again on addition it will become 22. Okay, now here 3 places comma is there, put a comma. Now 2 plus 2 becomes 4, 4 plus 3 becomes 7, then 7 plus 7 becomes 14, 4 carry 1. Okay, next 1 plus 3 becomes 4, 4 plus 6 becomes 10. Now according to Indian system, you will count here, no comma is there, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, then after 10,000 lakh is there, so in the place of lakh you will put a comma. So this is your answer. Understood? It is a very easy process. If two numbers are given, then only two number you will take in, do the addition. Okay, this is a easy part. So next is similarly B number, C number, D number and E number you have to do. Okay, now similarly question 2. Question number 2. Subtract. Question 2, subtract. Okay, I'll take a question. Suppose A number question I will take. What is given? 38,147 from 43,017. Okay, 43,017. So what you will do first? You have to write solution or your answer. First you have to always write the from portion. What we have to write? From portion. The bigger one you have to write first in subtraction. So 43,017. Yes or no? Then minus 38,147. Now simple subtraction, you know, that is when the numbers are same or when the upper number is bigger than the down number, then simply you have to do the subtraction. If it is smaller, then you have to carry or you have to bring one from the previous number. So what you have to do? 7 minus 7 becomes 0. What it will become? 0. How? Because we have taken 7 minus 7. Now next is 1 minus 4. It is not possible. 1 minus 4, how we will do? So from here, see here 0. 0 we cannot take 1. It is not having any value. So from 3 we will take. So from 3 we will take here. It will become 2. This will become 10. Then from 10 it will become 9 and this will again become 11. Understood? This you have already studied. 1 you have to carry from here. Yes or no? Next. 11 minus 4. It becomes 7. Yes or no? Then 9 minus 1. See, 9 minus 1 directly you can write. It becomes 8. Then comma is there. Now again 2 and 8 is there. It is not possible. So from here we will take one more. So we will get here 12. So 12 minus 8 it becomes 4. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. Don't write. If you want to write, then you may write. So this is done. Simple subtraction. Your parents also can tell this one. So if you are having doubt here, your parents also can tell or help this one. Understood? So this is a simple subtraction. Then next, similarly you will do all the questions from 2 number. Then the third number. So the third number is multiplication, or it is also called as product. Third number. Find the product of. Find the product of. Okay. So A number question. Find the product of 2315 into 132. This is a very easy one. How you will do? Solution. First you will write 2315 into 132. Yes or no? This already you had studied. First we will multiply with 2. So 2 table. 2 5s are 10. For this multiplication you have to remember table. Okay, at least up to 20 table you should remember. You have to by heart it. Means whenever anyone is asking you, you should be able to tell it, or you should be able to write it. So first 2 table, 2 5s becomes 10, 10 carry 1. Now 2 1s becomes 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Then 2 3s becomes 6. Then 2 2s becomes 4. Understood? Now similarly we will take 3. Now 2 portion is finished. Now 3 portion. Here you have to leave this one, or you have to simply put a cross. Then 3 5s are 15, 5 carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 becomes 4, 3 3s are is 9, 3 2s are is 3 2s are is 3 2s are 6. Okay, now 3 portion is also completed. Now next number is 1. So put here double cross because two numbers already we have done. Then third one, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s becomes 1, 1 3s becomes 3, 1 2s becomes 2. Then plus. Okay, here it will come 0. Then here 3 plus 5 becomes 8, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, carry 1, 1 plus 4, sorry here 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 is 15. Now 5 and carry 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. Now 10 and again 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is your ultimate answer. If you want to write it properly, how you will write? Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. This is your answer. Okay. Next is your fourth number. The same question. Here only 10, 100, 200, 30. These all things you have to multiply. So this is next question is fourth number question. Okay. Sorry. Fourth number. So fourth number question is also same type question. Simply you have to write it. Okay. Or you have to do it. So how we will do? See here how you will do. Fourth number A question. 238 into 100. This is very easy. Okay, how you will do? 238 into 100. First you will multiply with 0. 0 8s are 0. 0 3s are 3. 0 2s are 2. Okay. Next again first digit is finished. Then second digit 0 8s are 0. 0 3s are 0. 0 2s are 0. Next 1 8s are 1. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. Then you have to add 0 0 8 3 2. 3 digit finished. This is your answer. This is your solution. A very basic thing that you are learning. Okay. So this is the product. Then the fifth one is division. What is the fifth one? Division. Okay. So next I told is about division. So we will do now the division. Fifth number is divide and check your answer. So I'll be telling you how to divide and check your answer. This already you had done in third class and fourth class. Okay, again I am telling this is a revision of what you have studied. Fifth number. Divide and check your answer. So we'll take a question, a number question. Okay. Okay, I'll not take a number question, I'll take C number question. That will be very much better for you. You'll be thinking sir is always teaching easy questions and he is not doing hard questions. So I'll do a hard question this time. So C number question, you look, 2813 by 24. 2813 by 24. You have to do here what? Division. So first what you will write? Solution 2813 divided by 24. So you will write here like this: 24, then 2813. Yes or no? Now a very most of you, what you are doing while dividing, you don't know where it will come. Yes or no? So that is an important thing. First I'll tell you one easiest way. 24, what you will do, make a table in your rough side. What you will make? A table like this. So 24 into 1, it will become 24. Yes or no? Next, 24 into 2 becomes 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Next, 24, see here, first number is up to bigger one you will take. Okay, now I have done up to 2, you can take 3 4 5 6 7 like that also. So 24 and 28, here what is the first number? 2. 2 is smaller than 24, so we will take a 2-digit number, 28. Now 28 is bigger than 24, so yes, if it is smaller, then you will take 3-digit. Yes or no? It's very simple logic. Up to which it is small, you will take that one more digit. Okay, so now it is a bigger number than 24. Now 28, 24 2s are 48, 24 2s are 48. So 24 into 1 if we will do, then we will get 24. So thus nearby smaller number we will take. So 24 1s are 24. Here 1 you have to write, and here you have to write 24. Not after writing this one and this one. First you will write the quotient, then this one is the divisor. This is the divisor and this is the dividend. So dividend, first you will write the quotient, then you will put in the dividend. Now 8 minus 4 becomes 4. 8 minus 4 becomes 4. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. No need to write for that. Then second one is 41. Yes or no? Yes, 41. Now see here, 24 2s becomes 48. I have already done it here. Now 48 is not there in 24 table. So again we'll take 1s. So 24 1s becomes 24. Now simple subtraction, here it will become 11, here it will become 3 because we have to carry. Now 11 minus 4 becomes 7. 3 minus 2 becomes 1. Yes or no? Now you have to take down this 3. After every level, one digit will come down. Then 173. Now where this 173 is present. Okay. So 24 up to 2 I have taken. Now next 24 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. Plus 1, 7. Then again 24 into 4. It becomes 4 4s are 16. 24 in 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Then 24 into 5, it becomes 20 12. Yes or no? No. 24 into 6, 6 4s are 24, 2 6 are 12, 1 14, 144, 173 we need. So 24 into 7, 7 4s are 28, 2 7s are 14 plus 2, 15, 16. Yes, one more we need. Now 24 into 8, 8 4s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. Now see here 192 is the bigger number. What is the smaller number before it? 168. You will take here 7 and you will put here 168. 8. Okay, now 3 minus 8, it is not possible, so you will take here 13, you will take here 6. Now 3 minus 8 becomes 5, 6 minus 6 becomes 0, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Now your remainder is 5. 5 is less than 24. Our division will stop here. Okay, now this is the rough work. What is this one? Rough work. You will do in your right side page, or this rough work, it should be done in your back side of your notebook or in rough paper. Okay, very simple thing. Now I don't need that one, so what I will do, I am simply erasing this one because in my board space is not there. Our answer is not this one. We have to check whether this is correct or not. So first, this is the dividend. What is this one called? Dividend. This one is your divisor. This one is your quotient. And this is your remainder. Now we have to check whether this is correct or not. So how you will do? Remember one formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, so here in your notebooks, next page, you have to write this one. Okay, so how you will write this one? Dividend 2813. Whether this will come or not, equals to, we have to find quotient 117 into 24 plus remainder is your 5. We need this much from this much. This is a lengthy question, so you should do it in a proper way. First you have to divide, then you have to do the checking portion. So this is your checking portion. You should get this much. Now first you have to do the multiplication. 117 into 24. 4 sevens are 28. Carry 2. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 becomes 6. Then 4 ones are 4. Cross. 2 sevens are 14. 1. 2 ones are 2. 1 3. Then 2 ones are 2. Next addition. 8. 10. Then 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 8. Then 2. This much you got? Yes or no? Now you will take the next step. 2808 plus 5. How you will do? You will do this one. 2805 plus 2808 plus 5. 8 plus 5 becomes 3. 13. 1 8 2. 3 here. Now 2813. Ultimately we got what is here in the box. So our process is correct. So you will write here proved. What you will write? Proved. So this is the way you have to solve the question. Okay, this is 5th number question. 6th number question, same. You have to do the division. No checking portion. No checking portion. Only the simple division you have to do it. Okay, so let it be for today or in this video. Now next video I will be explaining you about 4 word problems are there. 7 number, 8 number, 9 number and 10 number. You may tell that, sir, you have not told 6 number. 6 number is same to same like this. You will do it in division way. Okay, then thank you. Like my channel and subscribe my channel. Put a comment and write this exercise in your notebook. Okay, very few persons are giving me the homeworks, but I want everyone's homework. So write this one in your notebooks. Okay, next question in next video. Thank you.